Okay, welcome to page 46. What I have done here is I have pre-done a lot of my work. What I would like you to do is spend the next 5 minutes writing out the months, your entire set here, into each box. Lastly, make sure you write out the formula into each box as well. And once you have finished that, come back to this video and we will get started with the first question. Okay, welcome back. Let's move this formula over here. We'll start filling in our answers. We know that there are a total of 12 months. And then at this point, we are going to investigate. Find the probability of selecting a month with 31 days. I'm going to go ahead and tell you which months these are ahead of time, and then I'm going to tell you a little trick to remember. All right, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 months with a total of 31 days. Now, sometimes in math, we are going to expect you to have some prerequisite knowledge, and knowing which months have 31 days, sometimes we won't have that knowledge, and we're going to have to Google or ask our teacher to find out what that number is. I'm going to show you a little trick to memorize which months have 31 days in them. If you bring up your knuckle here, we are going to be counting the peaks and the valleys. The peaks and the valleys. Every peak is going to be a month with 31 days. Let's start with January. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And there you have it. Those are the months with 31 days. Let's move to question number 2. Let's bring over our formula. Let's get it set up. And now let's investigate. Find the probability of selecting a month ending with the letter Y. Let's go through our options. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. 1, 2, 3, 4. The probability of selecting a month ending with the letter Y is a 4 out of 12 chance. This fraction can actually be taken one step further, but for the purpose of this worksheet, that is as far as we are going to go. All right, let's take a look at the next question. Let's set up our equation, and now let's investigate. Find the probability of selecting a month ending with R, ending with R. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. There are 4 possible outcomes. So we are going to write our 4 up there. And again, this question does have an additional step, but for the purpose of these videos, this is as far as we are going to take it. Let's take a look at this next question here. Find the probability of choosing a month either starting with J or ending with Y. Starting with J, let's get all of the J's out of the way because those are very easy to identify. Now let's go and find all of the months ending with the letter Y. February, March, April, May, August, September, October, November, December. Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our answer is 5 out of 12. Let's work on the last question together. Find the probability of selecting a month that's starting with the letter J and ending with the letter Y. January, June, no Y. July, and those are all of my options. 2 out of 12. This question does have an additional step, but that is as far as we are going to take it. Good job, everybody. I will see you on page 47.